1.1. Now 1.2 exercise is the graph that we will do what, that topic will do what last. Now we will go to do what, the exercise number 1.3. This exercise based on one rule that is called what, the Cramer's rule, and this method is also called the determinant method. Now see, in this Cramer's rule number, we provide two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Both the equations are called what, simultaneous equations. So take two simultaneous equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Right? Now see here, first we have to find what, d. D is called what, determinant. How to find d? To find d, take the variable of x and y. So take the variable of x, a1, a2. Then take the variables of what, y, b1 and b2. After taking the variables, now cross multiply a1 into b2 minus a2 minus a2 into b1, a2 into b1. So this we will get what, the value of d. After find the value of d, then you have to find what, the value of dx. Then to find what, the value of dy. How to find the value of dx? हम लोग dx से find करेंगे. dx find करने के लिए close the value of x. x की value close कर दो. Now whenever you are taking what, the value under the absolute value time में, तो first take constant c1 c2, then b1 b2. Again do the cross multiplication, c1 into b2 minus b1 into c2. After multiplying and minusing this with this number, you will get the value of dx. Then find the value of y. Find karte, let's call what, dy find karega. Now to find dy, cover the value of y. Y की value cover करो. You get what, a1 x and a2 x मिला, and b1 and c, b1 y, b2 y, c1 and c1. To find the value of dy, so first take the value of x. Cover this one. ये दो value बचा, तो a1 a2, a1 a2, then c1 c2, c1 c2. ये दोनों value मिलने के बाद then what, you cross multiply a1 c1 minus a2 c1. After multiplying and minusing, you get what, the value of what, dy. Now here the problem is not completed. Now अभी हमको find करना है the value of x and y. कैसे find करोगे? And right here by Cramer's rule. Then by writing the Cramer's rule, then find the value of x and y. Find the x. What the value of x? dx upon d. y कैसे find करने हैं हमको? dy upon d. ये दोनों वैल्यू फाइंड करने टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, फाइंड करो dx अपॉन d, फिर फाइंड करो वैल्यू व्हाट, dy अपॉन d फाइंड करने का. This is the method we are going to use in this subtopic. So first sum we'll do what on the board. Correct? See. Let's see. Now 1.3 this was the first question. How to solve this one? How to find the value of x and y. ये बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में 101% श्योर ये क्वेश्चंस आता ही है for 3 marks के लिए, और it can be for 4 marks, depend upon what the markings of the board. Right? Now see how to find the value of x and y with the help by using what the Cramer's rule. See, so first what to do? First find the value of d. Now how to find the value of d? So to find the value of d, take the coefficient of x and y. So 3 and 4 x coefficient, or with this sign -4 and 3. Take -4 and 3 with the sign. If it is minus sign, so take the minus sign. If it is plus sign, no need of writing about the sign. Now find the value of d. तो d कैसे मिलेगा हमको? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 3. ये साइन फॉर्मूला का ब्रैकेट डाल के 4 into -4. is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus 4 4s are 16. So D is equal to 25. So we got the D value. Now here only we'll do what to we find what the dx की value find करेंगे हम, correct? So to find dx, cover the value of x, correct? Now take first what the coefficients, last one 10 5 लेना है, then with this sign minus 4 and take 3. Now find dx value. How to find dx value? Cross multiply 10 into 3 formula sign multiply 5 into minus 4 10 3s are 30 minus minus plus 5 2s are 5 4s are 20. So dx we got what 50 mega, correct? Now find the value of dy की value find करेंगे हम. To find dy value same method. Now cover what? Now y. When you cover y, take the coefficient of x and put the constant. It's called what? 3 and 4, 10 and 5. Now find the value of dy. So 3 into 5, put the value 10 into 4. 3 5s are 50 and 4 10s are 40. So minus 1, you get what? Minus 25 dy value. Now after finding the value of d, dx and dy, now we will find what? By putting the formula by Cramer's rule, find what x. So dx upon d, dx की वैल्यू कितनी है? 50 upon 25. So x is equal to, आंसर कितना आ गया? कैंसिल करने के बाद कट कर दो इसको, आंसर 2. फिर फाइंड करो y की वैल्यू, dy अपॉन d. dy कितना है? माइनस 25 और d कितना है? d की वैल्यू कितना है? 25. कट कर दो इसको, कट दिस वन एंड वी विल गेट द वैल्यू व्हाट? माइनस. तो फर्स्ट these are the two equations. First make the equation the proper form में, variables one side and the coefficient what? One side. So variables what? X and y variables x and y. In 4x plus 3y, take this 4 that side, becomes what? 4. This becomes the first equation. और second equation से लेते हैं 6x, ये minus है, bring this side, become what? Plus and is equal to what? 8. This becomes the second equation. First find the value of d. How to find the value of d? 4 and take x and y value. 4 6 3 5. After this value, अब cross multiply करेंगे इसको. Multiply this with this. 4 5s are 20 minus 6 3s are 18. So 4 5s are 20 minus 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18 will be what? 2 meter. We got d value. Now find the value of x. To find the value of x, cover x, then take the first value c, and then take the value what? Y. So 4 8 and 3 y. So multiply, cross multiply. 4 5s are 20 minus 3 8s are 20 and 3 8s are 24. When you minus 1, you get what? Minus 4. We got the x value. Now we will find what? The value of what? Y. Then when you find the value of y, cover the value of y. What number now? Take the variable of x. 4 6 and 4 8. Variable of x and the constant value c. So again cross multiply करो इसको. So 8 4s are and 6 4s are. 8 4s are 32 minus 6 4s are 24. When you minus 1, you will get the value of what? 8 meter. Now actually find the value of x and y. How to find x and y? dx की वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस 4. d की वैल्यू क्या है इधर? 2. तो x की वैल्यू क्या गई? माइनस 2. नहीं, y की वैल्यू कितनी इधर? 8. x की वैल्यू कितनी इधर? 2. सो वी गेट द y वैल्यू कितना मिला हम लोगों को? 4 वैल्यू मिला. We got the value of what? Y value 4. समझा अच्छे से? See, now this is the third sum where we know the what? Cramer's rule. So again here first here x का जो coefficient है nothing is given. So assume that the coefficient of x is what? 1. Then find the d. What coefficient of x? 1. Here 2. There is what 2? It is what? 3. Now find d. Cross multiply. 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. So 1 3s are 3 minus 2 2s are 4. So we got d values what? We got minus 7 minus plus, so it becomes what? Minus 7. So d we got minus 7. Now find what dx. To find dx, cover the value of x. First take this value minus 1 and 12. फिर हमको लेना है 2 value, y की value 2 is what? Minus 3. Then find dx. What to find dx? Minus 1 into minus 3 minus 12 into 2. So minus minus plus 3 1s are 3 minus 12 2s are 24. So dx की जो वैल्यू मिली हमको minus 21. We got dx की वैल्यू. Now find dy की वैल्यू फाइंड करो. Find d value, cover y value. First take x value 1 2 minus 1 and 12. So dy is equal to again multiply 1 into 12 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 12 minus minus plus and 2. So dy की value होगी how much? Here dy की value will be 14. Now by help of what? Cramer's rule, find x and y value. dx कितना है? minus 21 और d की वैल्यू है minus 7. जब हम उसको डिवाइड करोगे तो माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस, कट कैंसिल दिस वन एंड गेट व्हाट द वैल्यू 3. x वैल्यू मिला हम लोग को व्हाट? 3. सेम वे फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y 14 upon 7. So y की जो वैल्यू मिली हम लोग को व्हाट? We got the value of y is what? 2. So this is the third what answers. ये Cramer's rule का sum number 4 है. Correct? Now here also x की वैल्यू क्या है? 6 8 minus 4 minus 3. So d की वैल्यू क्या है? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो इसको. ब्रैकेट में 6 into minus 3 minus minus 4 into 8 is equal to minus 80 minus minus plus 4 8s are 32. Okay? So when you minus 1 minus plus क्या हो गया? Minus, आंसर आया 14. This is what? 14. So we got the d value. Now we can find what the dx value. कैसे find करेंगे x? First coefficient minus 12 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3. Cross multiply minus 12 into minus 3. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे माइनस डालोगे और minus 4 into minus 2. Minus minus plus 12 3s are 36 minus 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 plus plus minus minus 4 2s are 8. when you minus को इसको आंसर आएगा हम लोग को वो 28. now dy वैल्यू फाइंड करने का है. close the value of coefficient of y and x value variable of x and take the constant what? minus 2. now cross multiply. 6 into minus 2 minus 8 into minus 12. So minus 12 minus minus plus 12 8s are 96 minus plus minus. Answer 84. Always put what? Greater number sign. Now find what the Cramer's rule. Find the value of x. कितना है? dx 8 और ये कितना है? d की वैल्यू कितना है इधर? 14. x इज इक्वल टू आंसर कितना है? आंसर 2. वैल्यू ऑफ d कितना है? 84 और ये कितना है? 14. y इज इक्वल टू कितना आंसर आएगा? Answer will be what? 6. The fourth question. So we have done what the 4 sums. This sum number what? 5. This is the second last sum of this exercise. See. Now here the value is what very big, but you should know the calculation work properly. You should know the tables properly to cancel that one. So that means tables proper होना चाहिए, तब जाके we can solve this particular sum. कैसे लगे इसे? Same method जो मैंने पहला 4 sums में किया था, same method we are going to use in this also. See, first one find the value of what? इधर x और y था, इधर m और n, है? इधर 4, 3, 6 and 2. So 4, 2 cross multiply minus 6 into 3. Correct? Now 4 2s are 8 minus 18. So what answer? 10. Greater number sign put करना है. dx फाइंड करने के लिए cover the value of dx में किधर आएगा v dm dn here आएगा dn here आएगा dn here will be what m value so अब ये फाइंड करेंगे m तो the value of m first in this one 54 28 6 and 2 okay so see so now cross multiply this with this 54 into 2 minus 20 into 6 or you can take 6 into 20 right so 54 2s are 108 minus 28 6 are 26 are 168 so minus करो answer will be what the minus 60 always put what greater number sign and now to find what the dn find करने का हमको तो cover the value of n take what first 4 3 54 and what 20 again 4 into 28 cross multiply and 54 into what 3 now 28 4s are how much it becomes what 112 28 4s are 112 or 28 54 3s are 12 carry 1 15 and 16 162 okay now see now ये plus here minus plus minus minus when you minus 1 you will get what the value what 50 but what greater number sign so we got the value of dn dn now find the value of n by using the Cramer's rule dn is what minus 60 or d is minus 10 minus minus plus cancel this one 6 so n we got the value of 6 then dn कितना है minus 50 n की value कितना है minus 10 so the value of n is equal to कट कर दो आंसर आएगा what n 5s are answer will be what 50 this is the what the fifth sum